Guangdong Huijie Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a speaker manufacturer which focus on R&D, production, and sales. We established in 2018, covers an area of 60,000 square meters. We have a strong R&D team, which can support good ODM and OEM service for clients. Our 15 engineers are all with more than 5 to 20 years experience in speaker area, which can ensure your special requests to be fulfilled. In the meantime, we have approved by ISO 9001, BSCI Grade B. We are one of the top 10 speaker manufacturers in China. We pay special attention on quality control. Each production line has 2 QC. One is for surface inspection, one is for internal structural inspection, and the other one for functional testing. We have our own laboratory for EMC testing, safety test, reliability test, life aging test, environmental test. For PCB amplifier, we have our own full automatic SMT production line. Covers an area of 2,500 square meters. We have the most advanced technology machine here. The horn woofer made by ourselves too. It offers woofers for our own production line. We export our speakers worldwide. Most of certification and reports are available, such as CE, ROHS, ERP, FCC, UL. We need top brand speaker customers worldwide and big supermarkets, importers. No matter you need OEM service or ODM service, we are your best choice.